Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Facebook app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner and you click on the three dots, okay? Then you want to head to the top right corner and hit on the gear icon. When you're at the settings and privacy, you want to click on Manage Account Center. When you're at Manage Account Center, you want to head to the menu that it says Account Settings, and you want to select the second option, which is Personal Details. When you're at Personal Details, you will have the option to click on Account Ownership and Control. When you're at Account Ownership and Control, the second option that you will see is Deactivation or Deletion. When you click on Deactivation or Deletion, you will have the option to delete or deactivate multiple Instagram pages or Facebook accounts that are linked to this particular Facebook account. So this is very important. You can manually go on individual Instagram page or individual Facebook account from here, log in, you have to put your credentials, username and password, and delete or deactivate these accounts. Remember, if you click delete on your Instagram account or Facebook account, you will have up to 30 days if you change your mind to go back and recover the account. Again, this is very important because if you don't do so, after the 30 days period expire, your account will be gone, will be simply wiped out, including your information and your data. Very important note is that if you want to download your data from Facebook or Instagram, you need to make a special request and then the platform will process your information. It will take a time, right? And then they will provide you a link where you can download your data. And then you will have around 4 to 5 days, depending on the situation, in which you could actually log in through the special link that they're going to give you to download your data. This is very, very important, and you want to make sure that you realize the difference between deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.